Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's layout, we are doing a layout in my traveler's notebook. So meaning the, well, not traveler's notebook, but traveler's notebook size. And I am finally using the Simple Stories Wildflower collection, which is so dreamy and beautiful with the yellows, marigolds, this like minty blue, and then the pink, like right here is like, love it. Just love it. And so I've picked up papers. I recently hauled this collection, so I have everything to work with. But the main prize is the full page photo. What am I looking for? Okay, yeah. Full page photo. This is Valentina and Papa together. So we are making this beautiful photo work. Now I just can't decide yet if I want the holes near her face or his face. And I can't decide if it's better this way. This is the problem with full page photos and their head so close to the edge. I feel like maybe it should be this way. Yeah, I think so, just because those three will definitely be near her little head, and this one could kind of be in this area. Okay, so that's one decision made. And that way this side will have, I am liking this as the background because it picks up the colors really well. And then I am truly deciding if I want to use like, I think 4 tags will fit, and make like 3 of them or so swivels. So more pictures from Easter, and then 1 swivel with the journaling, because journaling's beautiful. Or just use like a journal card, which I'm kind of leaning towards this one, and have it flip up, but then it would just be 1. I mean, I could do 2, right? Yeah, I could do 2, like the bird. I like this one. I don't want to introduce the blue, and I don't want to, wildflower. I don't want to introduce the blue, and then this one's too busy with that. The simple things and magic all around. See, that's what already makes it hard, because these, I don't want to introduce too many colors. Okay, I think I'm going to go the tag route. That way I can add more photos, even though I do. See, but then if I do that and that, I mean, that could be pretty with the 1, 2, 3. All right, well, let's get started. You don't have to see my whole process on doing this in case it takes up too much time. So let's get started in constructing this. Okay, so let's get started. So you saw how like the creative process goes for me. Like I have one idea, and then I have another idea, and then I'm like, oh, but I like this idea, and then I like this one, but the colors don't work. I'm sure this is what everyone goes through. So it's not just me. So you saw me, there was evidence that I too fumble with, choices to make when it comes down to making scrapbooking layouts. So, it happens to all of us. So in the end, I don't even think I didn't use the tags. So I vetoed those off the bat. But when I looked at this cut apart page, I loved these extra elements that I got as decorative pieces. So in essence, I am making like a waterfall flip up moment happen. And I love the way it came out, totally. So that was serendipity, or like, when you kind of work your way through it, that's what happens there. So it gives me also a moment to add more photos, and B, have hidden journaling, so that this beautiful collection and this decorative page, besides this gorgeous photo, can be the star of the show. So I loved all the sentiments on there. Some of them didn't fit, but I also wanted, because one of them that fit was like grow, or I think it was like hello. And I think more I wanted to use like how special it is for her to have, like both her grandpas in her life. So I chose the word cherish on there, and then did some of the die cut packs and then dimensional flowers on that side. And then here I am going into making the waterfall tag. So I'm just creating all of these little hinges, with extra scrap paper that I make and score the center. And I want to have it, you can see me like work with how they're going to fall just right. And it gives me an opportunity to add a few more 3x4 photos, which is perfect because I did take tons of photos on Easter. And then I'm also making sure I create more layers with the flower embellishments from the ephemera pack.
That way we can really highlight this gorgeous collection. Now, like I said, this collection is stunning. I did buy, remember I bought Life in Full Bloom, which is more of that rainbow floral collection on like with a black base. This one is definitely like your mustards, your mauvey pinks, and like a sagey green, and it's gorgeous. Get your hands on this collection. It's called Wildflowers by Simple Stories, and I picked mine up at a cherry on top.
Okay, that will wrap up this layout. I will do my journaling probably on clear sticker paper when I've filled up a sheet, and that way it would be here and able to see the pink through it. At least that's my plan, you know, for the journaling. And these are all extra photos from Easter. Love the way it came out, and the big photo of Papa. So cute. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, everyone, bye.